all have a good day. It'll be a good day. Yes, I do have a potty mouth, no filter. Homer the vet out. Hope everybody have a good day and enjoy the views. Oh, good morning, everybody. Made it to the lake out here. It's kind of chilly. Got to rock our beanie because it's so damn cold. Kraken beat the Stars last night. Well, that's good. They got the dub. Check out the lake before 8 o'clock in the morning. Fucking chilly out here, but hopefully we catch some fish. Hell yeah. Let's see what's popping around here. Oh yeah, line in the water. Pretty chilly. Birds swimming over there. See the fog wrestling on top of the lake as you zoom out. It's pretty cool if you ask me. Hell yeah, love me some nature. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right here. Nature of one. Some good shit. Gotta love it. Hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial of the lake. It's pretty badass if you ask me. Homer the vet out. Yeah, I don't remember what trail I use. Here we go. Walking through the trail to find the big off-seat trail to go fish the lake. Hell yeah. As you're walking the trail to the woods. Look at the down stump from a windstorm from many years ago. She's been down ever since I've been coming to this lake as a kid. Yep. There she is. Lakeview property. Walking the trail to go to the lake. It's pretty cool out here if you ask me. Hands getting frozen walking and recording, but it's all good. Gotta man up sometimes. Man up. Oh, do. Nice bench for someone to sit on when they get tired, when they walk the 1.4 miles. Because some people can't handle it. All ages walk this trail, which is pretty badass if you ask me. I love it how people use parks like they should. It's good shit. Hell yeah, it is. Dun. As we go, I think this is my spot. So, almost time to tell people where I don't turn at to go into the woods. So, catch me on the other side of me fishing, folks. Stay tuned. Homer the vet out. Good morning, America. Here from the lake on another fucking hump day. Indeed, Cacklebox Talk returns. Another solo episode of Homer the vet. Hope you guys enjoy some chatter on the lake with myself, truly. Just random conversations with myself. Kind of weird, but I'm good at it. Man, how do I open this tackle box? Much duct tape on it. Oh yeah, here we go. Need a sinker for my pole. Let's set this bad boy up. See how well this shit works. After I put line on this pole, I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll find out. It has a big old rotten gnat tail when I use it. Because I don't know if I put the line on the spinner right, but we'll learn. We will learn if I have any spinners. I know we didn't stock our lake, but it's all good. Just gonna mess around, kill some time before I go to my parents for some awesome plans. I'm excited for those monsters over Midway. I'm trying to see how well this pole casts. If I start cussing, you know why. Because I didn't do it right. Nope. Son of a gun. See, it's all caught in the spot. Right, figure out where it's tangled at. It didn't work either. Son of a bitch. Wants to fucking work. Oh, it's still. Who's fucked? Gotta redo this. Well, gotta redo this line. It's not gonna work right, I don't think. Yeah, it's fucked. That sucks. Pulled off, fucked up. Now we need to go back up on this bench. That didn't fucking work. Okay, fucking mega ramp. Hole. Still not in yet. I know it's gonna fucking work. Hopefully I don't think those grips don't have to put on a spool. Nope, still don't know how to do it. Charge for everything these days. Because dump buckets don't want to work. They got fucking old kids. Shit's locked up in jail, if you ask me. You got old kids, both parents ain't working. Should be in prison and the kids should get adopted out. Fucking ask me. Who's the fucking anyone over that's working? Real top. Take me to one. But I guess I have no fucking filter. I top shit. No pockets in here. Straightforward ready. I got it out of the tank and all untangled. Back to it. Just on the trail for a quick second. I'm getting talking to you so hard. Not too far, not too long. Pretty cool though. Here we go. Alright, fishing at its finest. That was slippery. Nobody that looks like on my other board still in the water. That's a fucking frozen bummer. Frozen bummer. Yep. Too bad. Nobody. Well, I was down with my second quarter works. Alright, one day I'll figure out the spool thing. It's not working. One day I'll learn. power bait on this bad boy. My Zepco Stainer. The green line. Got power bait on the bad boy. I don't know why I don't still have a tug. Oh yeah, let's just see what it does with its magic. Reeling this line since it's been out for a minute. Check on it. Oh yeah. Using a white and blue pole that I've had since I was about 12. Just a different reel on it, of course. Caught fish on this pole as a result. So we just took good stuff on it. That's our fish out here on the lake. Try to catch us some bass, you never know. That line right there. Doubt it, but you never know. Line's out in the water. Just stand between both poles and watch them do their work underwater. Hope you get a bite. Doubt it, but you never know if they will. Springtime now. Official first tackle box talk of the spring in late March. We gotta get our fishing licenses in about a week and a half. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thank God I got military discount. Big out discount. Saves me a lot of dough. Man, this lake is so nice and peaceful right now. No loud noise and obnoxious. It's kind of nice. Dig it. Sit back and enjoy a bunch of chirping bugs. I got a bite. Nope. Push a little bit. Get close to the dog. Do its thing. Might get lucky and bite it. Get a bite. You never know. Yeah. Oh yeah. 8:14, only been 15 minutes on this mug, just chit-chatting away, enjoying the views of the lake out here. It's great, gotta love it. It's good shit. Oh yeah. Got the homies giving me good advice for the VA to start my appeal. It's good shit. Getting ready to rock and roll with it. It should be fun. I'm excited for it. Hell yeah. It's crazy shit, if you ask me. Oh, it's magic. Yeah, gotta love the magic dawns of the tricks. Out here in the Pacific Northwest, chilling and vibing, fishing, relaxing. No big news in the NFL world this morning. So we just don't know what's going on. If anyone's gonna make a big move in free agency today, nobody knows. Early in the morning. Hell yeah. Man, oh man. Whew. Feels good out here. It's not too cold, not windy. Sun's about to crack through the sun, warm me up while I fish on the dock. Should be some good shit, if you ask me. Fish on the dock for a little longer, then I'm gonna go walk the trail and try that spot. Ooh, swinging for the fences, folks. There it is. There. Take my shit. I'm gonna go on the trail to fish this. I never catch shit off the dock. Shut the zipper of my coat real quick so I don't lose my phone on the block. And here we go. A couple of poles ready to roll. Alright, I'm gonna walk this bad boy. Walk this side of some shit. Check it out this gas ramp. Cross-country course. Used to run 2 laps around this bad boy. Freshman and sophomore year of high school on the cross-country team. Enumclaw Hornets. Oh yeah. Let's go maroon and gold. Good stuff running around this bad boy. Had some good times in cross-country. Oh yeah. Helped me prepare for my 2-mile ride in the military during my PT tests. So I already knew how to do that, but we're enjoying. Yeah, good shit. Ooh, it's chilly out here. In the trees. Good shit, but it's all good. Having fun in the woods fishing. Better than being day sleeping in. Being lazy.